introduce myself. My name is Jessica Patria Agustin. My ID number is 63251171.
And my name is Della Delia, with student ID number 6325184 Hello everyone, back to home podcast in Della Delia. Your birth today is episode. Today we're go to about computer network is important topic in our effort. Today live our good speaker today is Jessica Patria Agustina. Welcome, Chica.
Thank you for having me. I'm really happy to be here to talk about this topic together.
Is this which is best you as today is computer network?
A computer network is an ecosystem that connects two or more devices, such a computer, smartphone, or printers, so they can communicate and share data and resources with each other.
What is in computer type of computer network is what as half of it.
There are several types, but the most common ones are LAN and WAN. A LAN or local area networks is user ID in smart areas such as home, school, and house. I WAN or wide area network covers much larger areas, and the best examples of and one is the internet intercept.
Where that we are was computer network is our daily life.
We actually use computer networks almost everywhere and hope we connect our device to the internet, towards Wi-Fi at school or in the office. We use networks to share file and videos. We also use mobile data networks to stay connected wherever we go.
We claim that we all that we want computer network.
To build a network, we generally need devices and resources, a modem, network cables, and sometimes a device in access point. These devices work together to connect multiple computers to say can communication with one another.
We problem do people of network with our own computer network.
Some common problems include slow internet, speed network downtime, limited bandwidth, and security threats such as hacking. These issues can disrupt our work and daily activities.
You method watching unique feeling with battery anti-maths.
Of course, bandwidth is the maximum amount of data that can be transferred, stored, and network connection in a constant amount of time. The higher the bandwidth, the farther and smarter our internet connection will be.
Your method which can you explain you battery should demands.
Or cost bandwidth in maximum amount of data that can be transferred to racks and networks connection in a reduced amount of time. The higher the headwinds, the partner and smarter how internet connection will be.
Before which do you have an idea for must we what to make up Gateway network at home?
Sure, I would recommend choosing an internet provider with stable bandwidth placing the routers and control for better configuration and regularly updating the restore and security setting. to avoid unauthorized access.
Why is network security so important?
Network security is very important because it protects our data and device from cyber attacks such as hacking, malware, and data theft. Without people security, our personal information called KC and stored our mission.
Thank you everyone, Chika, for each of the solid truth today. Have fun and all lot but computer network from its bad function to its queersman and three afresh knowledge with networks are well trust or is about this internet.
Welcome back everyone. I'm Jessica Patria Agustin and will be your host for this topic. Today we are going to discuss the internet smart-thing. We ask more every single day. Our guest speaker for this topic is Dela Adelia. Welcome Dela.
Thank you, Chika. I'm go to her in.
Let's begin with a simple question. What actually is the internet?
This internet go network this computer malhub of develop on is what always portable her information and sharing with I of on the web teacher.
How do people understand the internet in their everyday life?
People use the internet for my is with us today work internet online shop and home streaming to the official media or amazing office.
What are the main benefits of using the internet?
The internet go first access to information support online administration access and pops my best openness of for is develop and openness.
On the other hand, what are the risks of using the internet?
These are quiz for X my online job. Facts now first day and first day is this risk of my work is not work breaks online.
For so many risks, how can we use an internet safely?
Why and stay stuff by storing first and we special link for the of Martian information and with server of by where and online.
Do you think the internet has changed the way we learn and work?
Definitely, our internet has made let's smart fit online shop and link for me and is slow my for to work free from elevation.
Some people say the internet can be obvious, but in your view and that
This is Mars for too much team online for break of official or high and for so it is my front to is my team is I am a room for official of all well.
and final advice for you listeners about using the internet wisely.
In word, I always thank you for the you chilling for the information before has is and back you online official with official live to stay hard and produce well.
Thank you, Dela Adelia, for sharing so very interesting about the internet, and thank you everyone listening today. We hope the episode help you understand both computer works and the internet. A little better. See you next time. Thank you.